All right, today I have Zicam Cold Remedy nasal spray right here. It says no drip nasal spray. It says the only cold shortening spray that there is. Coming a little bit closer, it says take at the first sign of a cold, and it's supposed to shorten colds. So it says with cooling menthol and eucalyptus, zinc free. So it comes in a nasal spray. You can see that in there. Active ingredients, I don't know what that is. It says, let's see if we can try to make that out. It says Galphiamia glauca 4. I don't know what it is, but it's something. It's supposed to shorten the length of the cold. We'll try that in a second. Go ahead and open this up. Now let's see what the brief instructions say on this. It says, what does it say? It says, reduces the duration of common cold and helps relieve nasal congestion. Zicam Cold Remedy was not formulated to be effective before flu or allergies. All right. With that said, it says directions. For best results, use the first sign of a cold. Remove safety cap with clip. Hold thumb at bottom of bottle and nozzle between your fingers. Before using the first time, prime the pump, depressing several times. Place tip of nozzle just past nasal opening, approximately 1/8 of an inch. Lean your head backwards slightly, avoid inhaling deeply. Pump 2 times in each nostril. Wipe away excess. Dose every 3 hours. Do not exceed 5 doses in 24-hour period. All right. Do not administer to children under 12 years old. So before you take any medicine, you definitely should check with your physician to make sure it's good for you. And read all the instructions and warnings that come with it. So it comes in a pump like this. How am I supposed to get out of this packaging? The packaging looks kind of dangerous. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up right here. Try to get out of the packaging. You probably won't have a cold anymore by the time you open this up. All right, so there's a pin. All right, so it comes out right here. So you have to take this thing off. Directions say pump, take the safety cap off, then pump until you prime it. All right, so it's primed, and so it says 2 pumps in each nostril. Don't exceed 5 uses of this within 24 hours. So I'm going to take it. It says put your thumb on the bottom. There's expiration date right there. So I'm going to do the one nostril. All right, went up. Okay. It says no drip, but it feels like it's something dripping. I'm not sure. And then it says the other nostril. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So, definitely can feel the menthol. Clears everything right up right away because of the... Is it menthol? Oh, yeah, it is menthol. It says menthol and eucalyptus. Clearing things up right away. Definitely doing that. All right. So it wasn't too bad. Feels like there's a drip. I'm supposed to wait before I blow my nose, I guess. But yeah, this is Zicam Cold Remedy, shortens colds. We'll see. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.